Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I want to tell you what my 34th item is. It is the READYLIFT SST 2.5 inch lift kit. Right there, the front lift is 2.5 inch and the rear is 2 inch, so it still gives me the rake stance. I do carry a lot of cargo and plan on towing stuff in the future, so I took the 2.5 inch SST READYLIFT kit instead of the leveling kit. Alright, there it is guys, my 34th item, the READYLIFT 2.5 inch SST lift kit. Thanks for joining me. Till next time, peace.